The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Iowa County in south central Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated numerous thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Radar estimates of 3 to 4 inches have occurred within the past hour, and these thunderstorms are moving over the same areas very slowly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Horeb, Barneveld, Blue Mounts, Ridgeway, Mount Vernon, Pine Bluff, Governor Dodge St. Park, and Blue Mount St. Park. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.